Hello, today we are going to learn basic fundamentals of how to dimension an architectural, engineering or technical drawing. Text size and fonts. We generally use a font size 2.5mm to 5mm depending on the complexity of the drawing. So for bigger, more complex drawings with a lot of dimensions, we can probably use 2.5mm text size. And for smaller, less complicated drawings with less dimensions, we can use a bigger text size of 5mm. And the font we normally use is Arial. Basically, you want the dimensions to fit well with the drawing, so as you can see here in red, the dimensions are too small, and in the second example, the dimensions too small. So basically, we are looking for a dimension size which is visually pleasing and that is adequate for the drawing. How to position the dimension values with the dimension lines. We are going to show you three different options. With the first option, we always locate the dimension values in the center of the dimension lines and the same direction or angle as the dimension lines, as can be seen here. If the dimension line is vertical, we locate the dimension value to its left and in the center. We can also see the same method with dimensioning angles. The dimension value is following the angle of the dimension lines again. Another example, here we can see in the screen. So the second method to locate the dimension values is to place them in the center of the dimension lines, interrupting the dimension lines except for the horizontal lines. And furthermore, the dimension values are always horizontal. Here we can see the same method with angles interrupting the dimension lines in the center, but always written horizontally. So now, on a third way, which is very similar to the second way, we keep the dimension values horizontal, but in this case, we locate them outside the dimension lines rather than interrupting them, as can be seen here. I hope you find this helpful. Please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until the next video, thank you. Bye bye.